Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. You're watching Rome Tips, and today we're diving into Headout, a booking platform that's changing the game for last-minute travel experiences. I'll be sharing my usage experience and reviewing its key features. Headout is a go-to resource for travelers seeking instant access to attractions, activities, and experiences across the globe, eliminating the need for extensive pre-planning. Whether you're chasing skip-the-line access to iconic landmarks, immersive guided tours, captivating theater performances, or unique city experiences, Headout offers a streamlined booking process and often boasts the best prices. It caters especially to spontaneous travelers who value flexibility but don't want to compromise on the quality of their adventures. A major strength of Headout is its mobile-first design. The app allows for incredibly quick bookings, with most vouchers delivered instantly, eliminating the hassle of printing tickets. This on-the-go convenience is a game-changer for busy travelers. The app interface is clean, intuitive, and provides comprehensive details, including highlights, what's included in each experience, and real-time availability. Headout operates in numerous major cities worldwide, spanning destinations across Europe, North America, Asia, and the Middle East. You can snag incredible deals on entry to world-famous attractions such as the Eiffel Tower, Burj Khalifa, and the Colosseum, as well as discounted tickets to Broadway and West End shows. Headout collaborates with reputable local operators, guaranteeing a high-quality experience with verified providers. Their dynamic pricing system is another standout feature, offering users access to exclusive discounts and flash sales on select experiences. Furthermore, Headout provides a best price guarantee. If you find the same ticket at a lower price elsewhere, they'll match it. For frequent travelers, the platform sweetens the deal with loyalty rewards and occasional cashback promotions, maximizing cost-effectiveness. Customer support is also a strong suit, with 24/7 assistance readily available via chat or email should you encounter any issues. Many bookings offer flexible cancellation policies, providing peace of mind and the ability to adjust plans as needed. In conclusion, Headout is an excellent choice for travelers who prioritize instant access to experiences at competitive prices without the constraints of rigid itineraries. It's fast, user-friendly, and brimming with fantastic deals. If you're seeking convenient last-minute booking options for your upcoming trip, be sure to check out the links in the description to explore Headout further.